Today we have something very special. We are going to unbox and review the brand new highly anticipated PS5 Slim. The new model costs the same price as the old model, so it's good to know you won't need to fork out extra money. Let's look at the box first. The packaging is sleek with the signature PlayStation Blue accents. The front showcases a picture of the PS5 Slim and the DualSense controller. Opening up the box, it includes all the cables you need, including an HDMI cable, power cable and USB cable for the controller. There's also a stand which you can use to place the PS5 Slim horizontally. Then there's the PS5 Slim. It's definitely more compact than the original PS5. It's lighter and, true to its name, slimmer. First impressions are crucial, and the PS5 Slim certainly doesn't disappoint in the design department. The sleek, compact form factor is a significant departure from the original PS5, making it a perfect fit for smaller entertainment centers or gaming setups. The matte finish and refined curves give it a modern and understated look that's sure to appeal to a wider audience. The design is still very futuristic with the sleek white and black color combination. The vent design is more streamlined and it seems like it will blend in more easily with your living room setup. One of the most notable design changes is the ability to place the console vertically without the need for a separate stand. This is a thoughtful addition that allows for more flexibility in how you can display the console in your entertainment setup. Overall, the PS5 Slim's design gets a big thumbs up from us. Next, we have the DualSense controller. It feels great in the hands with a good weight balance. The haptic feedback and adaptive triggers on the PS5 controller make the gaming experience more immersive. Moving on to performance, the PS5 Slim doesn't skimp on power despite its smaller size. The custom RDNA 2 GPU and Zen 2 CPU deliver impressive performance, ensuring that games run smoothly and look stunning. Whether you are exploring vast open worlds or engaging in fast-paced action, the PS5 Slim handles it all with ease. The PS5 Slim still packs the same power as the original PS5, providing lightning-fast load times with its custom 1TB SSD. The games look spectacular with up to 4K resolution and ray tracing capabilities. And let's not forget the 3D audio technology for a more immersive gaming experience. As for noise and heat, initial impressions are promising. The PS5 Slim is noticeably quieter and cooler, thanks to the improved ventilation system. The enhanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers of the DualSense controller further elevate the gaming experience, adding a new layer of immersion to every game. The PS5 Slim comes packed with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a next-gen console. The console takes full advantage of the latest technologies to deliver a truly immersive gaming experience. The user interface is snappy and intuitive, making it a breeze to navigate through the console's features and library of games. Additionally, the PS5 Slim is backward compatible, allowing you to enjoy a vast library of PS4 titles without any hassle. The inclusion of a 4K UHD Blu-ray drive is a welcome addition, giving you the option to enjoy physical media and 4K content right out of the box. So what's the verdict on the PS5 Slim? In our opinion, Sony has delivered a compelling package with the new console. The slim design, powerful performance and feature-rich experience make it a worthy addition to the PlayStation lineup. Whether you are a dedicated gamer or a casual player, the PS5 Slim has something to offer for everyone. The PS5 Slim's ability to seamlessly run a diverse range of games, from visually stunning open-world adventures to fast-paced multiplayer experiences, showcases the versatility and capabilities of this console. The enhanced graphical fidelity, responsive controls and immersive audio contribute to an unparalleled gaming experience that truly brings your favorite games to life. In conclusion, if you are in the market for a next-generation gaming console that delivers exceptional performance, a sleek design and a wealth of features, the PS5 Slim is definitely worth considering. Sony has once again raised the bar for gaming experiences, and we are excited to see how the PS5 Slim continues to shape the future of gaming. This is the Unboxing Beard, and we just unboxed the PS5 Slim.